it's your girl Feliciayumm. Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I dropped my last video, but we're not gonna talk about that. I'm super excited because Colourpop dropped a very highly anticipated collection. Colourpop is known for collabing with some really cute characters such as Hello Kitty, Sailor Moon. Like, they're always on top of the game as far as collabing with the most popular and what people love. I already knew I had to get this collection. My whole life revolves around Animal Crossing, literally, okay? I have a business that is pretty much all Animal Crossing items. I never played Animal Crossing, but I have a love for cuteness. When this collaboration came out with Colourpop, I had to buy it. I will be doing a swatch test for you guys on, let me tell you what I got. So I got the pick of the bunch, just a tint duo, mini duo. So this came with two colors, coconut juice and uncomparable. Okay, so the next item I got was the flower power, and this is the pressed powder blush, and it's really pretty. I'm assuming inside the game there's a lot of flowers and fruits and stuff. Like, I'm not assuming, I know that because I make the stuff, but and so inside Animal Crossing there's a lot of flowers and fruits and bells and all these different things that villagers and the characters, the little characters in the games collect, I assume. So next one is super cute. We have Tom Nook and we have the little twins, which I've never made them, so I forgot. I think it's Timmy and Tommy. I want to say Timmy and Tommy. Don't come for me. So yes, I got the pressed powder palette, and this is the Tom Nook collection. So I have never even opened this stuff yet. So y'all gonna excuse me. I'm about to show y'all right now. Oh, this is pretty. So it's like a minty. We have Celeste. I only know Celeste because I got Celeste in my shop, but I don't know who this other owl is. Oh, that is pretty. I'm surprised these were actually the last two to be in the store. Very pretty. The other owl that I don't know the name of, like, yeah, please don't come for me. Like I said, I don't play Animal Crossing, but I got pretty much all of the villagers down pat. Just some of them, there's so many of them, I just, you know, I do what I can. I'm excited to go ahead and do a swatch for you guys. Animal Crossing is so freaking cute. Colourpop knew what they were doing yet again, collabing with another yet cute collection. Let's go ahead and jump into the swatches, and y'all let me know what y'all think. Again, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I do want to say that some of my videos coming up next will be more fitness related. I kind of want to get into that realm. I still will be dropping Colourpop collection reviews, few and far in between. So if you have been with me, you know, still rock with me. Just so you guys know, so you're not you know, just like, what is she doing? I'm kind of going into the fitness realm just because that's what I spend most of my time doing nowadays. So, like I said, let's jump into the swatch review. Yeah, so we're going to jump into our first palette, which is going to be What's a Who palette. That is the packaging. For anybody that didn't get a hold of this collection, just know that Colourpop likes to play games, and they pretend like everything sold out, but then they wind up dropping it again like within a week or two. So just hold out. If anybody didn't get their hands on this collection, I'm pretty sure Colourpop is going to be dropping another one, dropping more inventory very soon. So we're gonna go into Meteor Shower, and I already know that I'm gonna like this one a lot. Oh, and that is so pretty. And I say that about pretty much every color, but I like this one a lot because it has some sequins in it, so you can get that nice pop of glitter. Next color we're going to go into is going to be called Celeste, and that came on pretty pigmented, if you guys can see that. Oh, and that's really pretty too. So we have Meteor Showers in Celestial. I can't even talk. Celestial. Next color is All Aflutter. What is wrong? Like, I can't even talk today. This is what happens when you have been off of YouTube for so long. You just don't know how to talk no more. Like, I literally need to come back up here for real. Alright, so the next color is All Aflutter, and I can already tell y'all, like, this is about to be hella bomb because it came on my finger pretty nice. Oh my god. That's like a cream. That's a creamy That's like a creamy like pressed powder. So that went on like velvety smooth, y'all. So that's really pretty. It's literally called Who. And these are pressed powders for real, because they're coming on so pigmented and so smooth. Do y'all see that? Look, and his little minions. And this seems like a minty, like a cool minty green. So next is gonna be Yes Yes. Oh, I didn't even have to do nothing. Like, it's so pretty. The next color is called Made in the Shade. These two definitely have glitter sparkle. Did you see that? Like these, like I don't know if Colourpop changed their formula, but they're definitely a lot more pigmented than I remember. Like they're hella pigmented. I don't have to put a lot on my finger at all, which is, I guess because it's the pressed powder, so it's more condensed or more saturated. But next one is gonna be CEO, and this is really pretty. This is definitely a cream. Oh, that is so freaking, I have to zoom in for y'all. Can y'all see that? All right, and the last color in this mini palette is called Water Landing, like I said. And this one doesn't have glitter. It's just a matte forest green. I'm gonna take that. Wow. All of these colors were pretty bomb. I'm not gonna lie to you. Every last one of them were hella pigmented. This collection is pretty bomb. So I am going to jump in on the blush and the Just a Tint. I'm actually going to try that on for you guys so you can see it on my face. But I didn't want to mess with the eyeshadow because I literally just got back from the gym, so I'm all sweaty still. But I'll show you guys what the blush looks like in the lip tint, so we'll jump into that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that swatch test. Again, all the colors were super pigmented, super saturated, not unlike Colourpop because they always come through with that, but these colors, the color choices were on point. So definitely I will be wearing these. So maybe I will do a look and put it on my Instagram or something like that. I'm not sure. I will be showing you guys what these two items look like on me, and this is Just a Tint. And it comes with two colors, Coconut Juice and Incomparable. And this one also Flower Power, which seems like a really pretty pink. Let's jump into it. Okay, so pretty much all their palettes come with mirrors, which I think is really cute. And you know what I'm saying? Like, this is something that you can pop in your purse and pull out and just, you know, like, you can see what you're doing. I'm going to put a little bit on my cheekbones. And this is actually, it's coming on pretty light. It's not intense at all, which I like because it has like that rosy, probably not my favorite Colourpop blush that I've used, just to be honest. But it's really, it gives it a nice little pop of rosiness. That is it for the powder blush. Now we're gonna jump on to a tint. And these colors I actually liked a lot on the site. And let's see if I can get, okay, so this one is Coconut Juice, which is like, really, why is this coconut juice? Because it's brown. I'm literally no stranger to Just a Tints because I have so many of them, and literally they're Just a Tint. Like, they're not gonna come on hella pigmented like most of their palettes are, but this is Le Color. And I'm just gonna start by lining first and then filling. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. Y'all put it in the comment section which I think this looks like on me. Alright, so we're gonna jump into Incomparable. Just on me. I'm not saying that it's not a nice color, but on me, it's a no-go. And I guess that makes it not too bad if you kind of mix the two. But Incomparable by itself is definitely not my steez. Yeah, that is it. Alright guys, that is it for the Colourpop times Animal Crossing Swatch test review. I would have to rate this collection, and you know what, I didn't get the whole collection, so it's probably not proper for me to rate it, but what I do have, I would probably give it about a B, because the blush was okay. It still came on like a it came on, you can see it, it's pretty. So I'll give the blush probably a B. I'll give definitely Incomparable a C. The palettes were really pigmented. Both of the palettes definitely get an A plus. But that is it for you guys. Like, I really hope you guys enjoy this review. Link my Etsy and my website below. Go check me out, ManikiIsland.com. I literally have all the Animal Crossing goods, all of them. Alright, so if you want stud earrings, necklaces, bracelets, pillows, keychains, you name it, Animal Crossing, I got you. Stationery, I got you. I feel like these Diana studs are so cute. So cute. Literally so cute. So yeah, we're gonna finish this out with the Diana studs. Like, don't get me started. Alright, do not get me started. I got all of them. I got all of them. All handmade by me. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and I will see you on my next one.